Best advice on cooking a chicken. 10 pro tips for perfectly cooked chicken every time. Hey, foodies! Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about making your culinary journey a delight. Today, we've got something super special for you. The best advice for cooking chicken to absolute perfection. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned home cook, these 10 pro tips will have you creating juicy, tender, and flavorful chicken dishes every time. So, let's get cooking. Tip 1. Choose quality chicken. Always start with high-quality chicken. Look for organic or free-range options if possible, as they tend to have better flavor and texture. Fresh chicken is ideal, but if using frozen, ensure it's properly thawed in the refrigerator before cooking. Tip 2. Properly season the chicken. Host, seasoning is the key to amazing chicken. Use a blend of your favorite herbs, spices, and a pinch of salt to enhance the flavor. You can experiment with various combinations, like paprika, garlic powder, cumin, or rosemary, to create your unique seasoning mix. Tip 3. Bring chicken to room temperature. Host, allow the seasoned chicken to come to room temperature before cooking. This ensures more even cooking throughout the meat and results in juicier chicken. Tip 4. Master the art of marination. Host, marinating the chicken not only adds flavor but also tenderizes the meat. Plan ahead and marinate the chicken for at least 30 minutes or even overnight for more intense flavor. You can use a simple marinade with lemon juice, olive oil, and your chosen seasonings. Tip 5. Preheat your cooking surface. Host, whether you're grilling, pan-searing, or baking, always preheat your cooking surface. This helps to create a beautiful sear, locks in moisture, and prevents sticking. Tip 6. Use a meat thermometer. Host, to ensure your chicken is cooked to perfection, invest in a meat thermometer. The internal temperature of cooked chicken should reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 75 degrees Celsius. This helps avoid undercooking or overcooking the chicken. Tip 7. Rest the chicken. Host, after cooking, let the chicken rest for a few minutes before slicing or serving. Resting allows the juices to redistribute, resulting in a more succulent and flavorful chicken. Tip 8. Try different cooking methods. Host, experiment with various cooking methods to discover your favorite. Grilling, baking, pan-searing, or even slow cooking are all excellent options, each offering unique textures and flavors. Tip 9. Add moisture with broths and sauces. Host, to keep the chicken moist and add extra flavor, baste it with broths, sauces, or even melted butter during cooking. This enhances the overall taste and prevents the chicken from drying out. Tip 10. Practice makes perfect. Last but not least, don't be discouraged if your first attempts aren't perfect. Cooking chicken is a skill that improves with practice. Keep experimenting, learning, and trying new recipes. You'll be a chicken master in no time. There you have it. 10 pro tips for cooking chicken that will elevate your dishes to a whole new level. We hope you enjoyed this video and found the advice helpful.